Hey there, this is Haley from Team Redefining Mom, and today I'm so excited to share with you our 25 pack of Pinterest pen templates for Canva. Now, we also offer these in Photoshop, but today I'm going to just show you our templates for Canva. So, a big reason why these templates are so great is that recently Pinterest announced that they really prefer fresh pens on their platform. Not only do they prefer it, but they also have said that they will more widely distribute fresh pens than recycled old pens. Now, what are fresh pens? Fresh pens are simply a new pen image on their platform. So this doesn't have to be a new URL, a new description. It's simply just a new image. So you can make new images for your old content, for your new content, for evergreen content that you have. But when you are putting those new pin images onto Pinterest, they will prioritize them in their distribution. And this is something that we cover very in depth in Pin Practical Masterclass, which is our organic Pinterest course where we talk about all of the best strategies for using keywords on Pinterest, how to set up your account, how to make these fresh pins, etc. So it is a great course to get you started with Pinterest as a whole, especially if you're a beginner. So anyway, I just want to take a couple minutes to show you our 25 pack of templates in Canva and to show you just how quick and easy it is to customize them. So after you add the templates to your account, you'll have a screen that looks like this, and this is the 25 pack of templates. So we can see them all here. We have these in our fake brand we came up with, which is all about bullet journaling. So if we just click on one here, let's say we wanted to customize this one for a new blog post we have. So let's say my blog post is the 10 best practices when starting your first mom blog. So I can just double click in here. I'm going to change this to 10. Maybe I want to change the font to something that's on my brand. So we actually use this font quite often. Now I need that a lot bigger. So I'm just going to click up here and make it bigger until it's the size that I need it. Okay. Let's see, so I also want to change this circle back here. So all I have to do is click the circle and we get a little color swatch up here. We have Canva Pro, so we're able to have a bunch of these color palettes loaded in here, but you don't actually need color palettes in here. But it makes it really fast and easy for us to just swap out exactly what we need. So what do we say? Best practices when starting your first mom blog. So I'm also just going to have this say mom blog. And I'm going to change that to our font. Just make it bigger here. Oops. And let's change a few more colors. So you can, let's see here, change the font really easily. Change the colors really easily. I'm going to do this and this. And make that yellow. And for this background, I'm going to change this to our brand colors. So let's make this, there we go. Change this down here to say Redefining Mom. Make it there. And now we have a fresh pen that's all ready to go for Pinterest. I'm going to do one more here. Let's see. What would be a good one to do? How about, let's do one with a picture on the back. Okay. Where's the one that I want to do? Let's do this one right here. Okay. So this is 15 Bujo spreads you'll want to copy. So let's say instead that we have a new blog post called 50 Amazing Resources to Help You Start a Blog. So we're going to take this, put 50 in here. Let's make that our font that we already have loaded in there. Let's make this one our brand color. Make that nice and big. There we go. 50 amazing resources to help you start a blog. So I'm going to want to add another, it's really easy to grab elements and just move them around. amazing resources to help you. Now, let's see, I'm going to want to move all these up. Start a blog. All right, we are almost done already. Okay. We can also grab these rectangles, make them bigger. This one right here, we need to make it smaller. Let's make it black. Wow, redefining mom. Okay. All right, so you can see just how easy it is to customize these templates for your brand. Oh, let me just swap out the background here so I can show you how easy that is as well. So you can just go over to photos and let's say I want to find a computer. This one looks good. We just drag and drop it. We can double click the background here, move it over, and voila. We have a brand new pen that we created in just a couple minutes to put on your Pinterest account. So I hope that was useful. I hope that you can see how this pack of pen templates can truly help you create fresh pens and get your content more easily seen on Pinterest. Bye.